been home, a week or so, I guess, and trying to decide what to do, where I want to go next, how to go about fixing the truck. Do I want to take the truck somewhere and the big trailer, or do I want to pull the bug out of the shed with the trailer and go with it? There's a lot of variables with that, but I'll go back. Since I've been home, I've been canning like a wild woman. Let me give you a show here. I dry canned green bean, or not green beans, but pinto beans. And the reason for dry canning or oven canning beans, dry beans, is they have 15 to 30 year shelf life. You heat them up in the oven, and that keeps the bugs out, keeps them shelf stable for 15 to 30 years. And it's easier for me to store them in jars like this than it is to have a bag sitting somewhere. And like flour, if you leave flour out, it's going to end up with bugs in it. So this just is what I did. I also canned chili beans. I dry packed them in the jars and put some bell peppers and onions and some celery in there. So all I got to add to it is a little bit of meat when I open them. And I've got meals. You know, just open that up, cook up some cornbread, and I've got a meal. Lots of meals. Look at all those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 meals out of that, plus whatever I get out of those. And then I also, oh, that's my pressure canner. I also canned some jalapeno peppers. And this is what they call, let me get rid of this lid. This is what they call Cowboy Candy. It's jalapenos in a sugar type of a mixture. If you're interested in the recipe, let me know and I'll do another video and put them in there. But it's a sweet jalapeno candied. A lot of people really like them. To be honest with you, I've never tasted them because I don't like hot food. You know, mild salsa is about as hot as I get, and if those have any chance of being hot at all, I'm not interested. And then I also did a whole bunch of stewed tomatoes so that if I want to add them to my chili beans, I can do that. I've got extra tomatoes. Could have canned them, but I love tomato sandwiches, and they're getting soft. I guess I could do another batch of stewed tomatoes or tomato sauce or something. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've got my days and nights backwards. I started canning yesterday about, I guess 9, 10 o'clock last night. And I finished at 8 this morning, went to bed, and slept until 5 p.m. I've done that for the past 4 or 5 nights. It's just crazy. Makes me crazy. Anyway, I got home, and my niece, Ricky, has moved to Montana to, I'm not sure if she wants to be a flight trauma nurse or ER trauma or something. But she moved to Montana to finish up her schooling, and she was renting a place and decided she was going to have to like buy furniture or whatnot. So I got to thinking, I'm sitting in this big empty house all by myself. So I gave her all the furniture she wanted. Not that I mind. I love my nieces and nephews so much, and I wasn't using the furniture. Once in a while, I would go outside here and sit. I don't know if you remember, but I had a big patio table out there. I wasn't using it. And so she came over and went through stuff. And Well, this is the stuff from when I was at my sister-in-law's in Klamath Falls. We did cherries, canned mushrooms, canned apples. It's that light makes everything yellow. Sorry. We canned something else. I can't remember what we did. Mushrooms, cherries, apples. I don't remember. Oh, it's over here. Blueberry jelly. Anyway, back to my previous story. Got home, got in the house, and it was kind of a shock. Not a regretting type of a shock, don't get me wrong, shock. But when I walked in my house, this is what I saw. Empty! She got a table that was here, I think a little table that was over there, my couch, and then I had a recliner over here that they moved in my bedroom for me because she also took a couch. It was like a double love seat recliner. She took that, which is fine. You know, I don't need them. And then this stuff over here in the corner, I know it's looks like a horrible mess, but that's all, except for the guitar right there, that's all Christmas presents that I've been gathering up over the course of the year. I'm expecting a package in the mail for my alarm system. I couldn't find couldn't find the key fob for my alarm system here at the house, so I ordered a new one. Not here, but that's why I'm checking my mail. Haven't been able to find anybody to work on my truck. It needs an oil cooling line that goes from the, what did they say? It goes from the engine to the oil filter. Parts for it are anywhere from $100 to $200 just for the parts. And you know, it's got to be done, so I can't really cry over that too much. But what I'm troubled over is deciding whether or not to take the bug and go somewhere. If I take the bug, I can't take the bug trailer because the guy I bought it from said that it was, because of the size of it, the measurements, left to right, front to back, it didn't need a license plate or to be registered. Well, I contacted DMV and the Highway Patrol, and basically, if it's got tires and it gets on any public road, the highways, the side streets, surface streets, whatever, it needs a license. It just needs a license. So I've got to make an appointment, take the trailer to DMV, and get it licensed. And the high-low, they sent me back the pink slip and everything from when I bought it 5 months ago, saying something's wrong with the back of the pink slip. So I got to set up an appointment to go in and take care of all that. Lots to do, but when your days and nights are backwards, it's really hard to get up and do stuff during the day when you need your sleep. Anyway, what else? So I wanted to just load the bug up with all my daughter's Christmas stuff and head to Seattle and take her and my grandsons and my son-in-law their Christmas presents. But I haven't taken the bug on any trips at all since I had it fixed. You know, I didn't have it fixed. I had a whole bunch of new stuff, and there's a video on that. I'll try and link it wherever it is up there. And I don't want to take it on that long of a trip until I take it on a closer trip, but I don't know where to go. You know, it really is no fun. Well, I can't say that. It's fun traveling. It's just, I think it would be funner if I had a travel partner. Just to travel with, you know. Even if we caravanned, you know, you went in yours, I went in mine, it'd be great. But going alone, it just feels like there's something missing. But I'll figure it out. You know, I've done it a couple of times already, and I can keep doing it. Anyway, I think that's about it for today. I just kind of wanted to add this in there. And let me turn off some lights. It's still pretty smoky here. I know I looked out the bedroom sliding glass door earlier. It was really hazy. I know, it gets dark. Well, the camera doesn't pick it up very well, but trust me, it's orange out there. Kitty showed up once to visit, and then he went back over to the neighbor's house over there, which is okay. I need to get the high-low closed up and washed. Anyway, it's okay that he goes over there. Every time I go on a trip, you know, I worry about him and have to get people to come over and feed him, and as long as he's over there, they take care of him, they love on him, so I guess he's okay, and I'll just keep going. Yeah. Okay, well that's it for today. I'm going to walk out to the truck and get the footage off the dash cam and get this video edited and put out there, hopefully. Maybe it'll probably end up being 2 videos. Alright, bye guys. Talk to you later. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click that thumbs up so that you get notified when I have another video come out. Talk to you later. Bye.